Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up Zoho Desk and CRM tickets together, detailed guide step by step clearly. To back up Zoho Desk and CRM tickets together, start by logging into your Zoho account. Navigate to the Zoho Desk application from the dashboard. Once inside Zoho Desk, go to the Tickets module. Here, locate the filter options to select the tickets you want to back up. You can choose to filter by status, priority, or date. Select all the tickets you wish to include in the backup. Click on the Export button, usually located at the top right of the ticket list. Choose the format for the export, such as CSV or Excel. Once you select the format, click Export to download the tickets to your device. Next, open a new tab in your browser and log into your Zoho CRM account. From the CRM dashboard, navigate to the Tickets or Cases section. Again, use the filter options to choose specific tickets you want to back up. Select the desired tickets, similar to your previous selection in Zoho Desk. Click on the Export button in the CRM interface. Select the same file format as before for consistency. After exporting, save the file to your computer. To ensure everything is well organized, create a dedicated folder for your Zoho backups. Name the folder something intuitive like Zoho Backup, Date. Transfer both exported files into this folder for easy access. Finally, verify the integrity of your backup files by opening them. Check that all data has been successfully exported and is correctly formatted. Your Zoho Desk and CRM tickets are now backed up together. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.